Hey there everyone, welcome back again to Technoholic AI. In this video, I am going to talk about one of the biggest disadvantages of Claude AI over ChatGPT. So I used to use ChatGPT since last 2 years and I never hit its ceiling. And I am using Plus plan in ChatGPT and Pro plan inside Claude AI. Now I started using Claude AI since a month and it was really a great experience, but when it comes to amount of uses that Claude AI offer, well, it doesn't offer you too much, and I am hitting the ceiling pretty easily. And if you hit the ceiling, then Claude AI will of course encourage you to buy more. Now I'm going to talk about some of quick tips how you can avoid hitting your ceiling pretty easily. And the best way of doing it is, you should choose correct model. For example, when you are asking very simple question like this one, where I am trying to know what are the different alternative of YouTube. If you think that this question is not that tough enough, you can go with the easiest model of Claude AI, which is Haiku. Alright, so when we use Haiku, it's really going to use very little credits. Now let's say the same question is a little bit tough or you want a little bit more research to be done, then in that case Sonnet 4.6 is the model that one should choose. And if you really want to go in more deep research, you can also enable this option which says extended thinking. Then what this option will do, it will kind of self-verify or validate what Claude AI is going to put forward in front of you. So in this way guys, we can kind of manage the resource more optimally. It may be possible that Claude AI is not running that efficiently as ChatGPT does, especially the amount of uses it can provide for the same amount you pay. Alright, so the reason can be anything, but to me, I think the biggest disadvantage of Claude AI is this. So what do you think about reaching the ceiling pretty easily in case of Claude AI? Do let us know in comment down below. Let's Claude AI also be aware of. And that's also wrap up this video. And if you are new to this channel, I would recommend you to subscribe to Technoholic AI, where our objective is to 10x your skill by letting you know all different kind of AI platform available out there in the market. And I will catch you soon with one such another video. Till then, you take care and bye bye.